Chemical Kinetics, 12th Science. Today we have to see about the effect of temperature on the rate of reaction. The effect of temperature is important on the rate of reaction if the rate of reactions increases with increase in the temperature, because the number of collisions increases due to the increase in temperature and the rate of reaction is increases. The concentrations change only a little with temperature, but the rate constant shows a strong dependence on the temperature. It is seen in the next point. In this case, the RNS equations. The RNA suggested that the rate of reactions varies with the temperature, rate of reaction. The rate constant shows the strong dependence on the temperature. In this case, this next point, important point, is the RNS equation, and this RNS equation is K equal to A into e raised to minus EA by RT. This RNS equation contains the specifications where K is the rate constant, EA is energy of activation or activation energy, R is molar gas constant, T is the temperature in Kelvin, and A is a pre-exponential factor. This is A is pre-exponential factor. This is the specification of this RNS equation. This RNS equation is most important, and after taking their logarithms, we can conclude their graphical representations. The first point, the pre-exponential factor A and the rate constant has the same unit in case of the first order reaction. The first order reactions and the pre-exponential factor, this A, having the same unit only in the first order reaction, that is the second inverse, time inverse, hour inverse, etc. The time inverse is the unit for the first order reaction. Beside A is found to be related to the frequency of the collisions. This A means the frequency factor or the pre-exponential factor is depends on the frequency of the collisions. The second point, a fraction of successful collisions is given by F equal to E raised to minus EA by RT. This fraction of the successful collisions. After this, the most important part of this RNS equation is the graphical determination of activation energy. In this equation, this EA is the energy of activation or activation energy. This is determined by the graphically by taking the logarithm on this equation, both the side of this equation. Taking the logarithm, we get there is a equation as this is the RNS equation, K equal to A into e raised to minus EA by RT. Taking the logarithm on both the side of this equation, therefore we get the log K equal to minus EA by RT plus log A. Converting the natural base to the base 10, we write in this case this logarithm Ln, in this there is a logarithm base E, but this base E is converted into the base 10 by multiplying the logarithm term by the 2.303. Logarithm term by the 2.303. Therefore, the third equation contains this third equation multiplying the 2.303 to the logarithm equation, and second step is also involved in this case. The logarithm term contains the 2.303. This is divide whole the equation by the 2.303. Therefore, logarithm term does not contains the two multiplications of 2.303. Therefore, this equation gives this second equation as log base 10 K equal to minus EA upon 2.303 RT plus log base 10 a. This is the a is a pre-exponential factor and this is a constant. This equation is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. That is the straight line equation. This equation, straight line equation, y equal to mx plus c, and therefore the plot of this log of k versus log of a gives a straight line having the intercept on the y-axis, that is this constant is a log of a, and shown in the figure. In this case, the plot between this is log of base 10k versus 1 upon t, that is the variation of log base 10k with 1 upon t is shown by the this straight line which decrease in their slope, because the first equation contains there is a negative sign, and this negative sign indicates this is the slope having a decrease in their line. Hence, in this plot, there is this line is decreases. A slope of the line is minus Ea upon 2.303 r, that is the m, with its intercept being the log base 10a. From this slope of the line, the activation energy can be determined. From this slope, we can determine the activation energy. This activation energy is Ea. The Arrhenius equation shows that with an increase in the temperature, this negative Ea upon RT, and in turns the rate of reactions would be increases. That is, Ea by RT increases, but the negative sign is neglected, then Ea by RT decreases. This is the graphical representation for the Arrhenius equation. And from these equations, these are the three equations. First, k equal to a into e raised to minus Ea by RT. Second, logarithm k equal to minus Ea upon RT plus log of a. And third, log of base 10k minus Ea upon 2.303 r1 upon t plus log of base 10a. These are the three most important equations for in this chemical kinetics. This third equation is the Arrhenius equation for only one temperature, but we can determine the activation energy at two different temperatures, T1 and T2 also. Suppose this is the next point is a determination of the activation energy at two different temperatures. In this case, the Arrhenius equation is represented in two different ways by the K1, K2, T1, and this is a T2. Therefore, Arrhenius equations for two different temperatures T1 and T2 are, these are the equations: log of base 10 K1 equal to log of base 10 A minus Ea upon 2.303 R T1. This is the equation number 1. This is first temperature. And second temperature T2, log of base 10 K2 equal to log of base 10 A minus Ea upon 2.303 R T2. This is the equation number 2. These two different temperature equations where K1 and K2 are the rate constants at the temperatures T1 and T2 respectively. In these equations, T1 is less than T2. Therefore, subtract the equation 1 from equation 2. We get log of base 10 K2 minus log of base 10 K1 equal to minus Ea upon 2.303 RT2 plus Ea upon 2.303 RT1. In this case, this Ea sign there, Ea term contains there is a negative sign, and this negative sign, when we can subtract these equations, therefore first equation minus minus get plus. There, hence log of K2 upon K1 log of base 10 K2 upon K1 equal to Ea upon 2.303 R into 1 upon T1 minus 1 upon T2. This equation is converted into the another way. This is Ea upon 2.303 R inside the bracket T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2. This is equation number 3. This third equation is a Arrhenius equation for two different temperatures. And before we can see the Arrhenius equations 1, 2 and 3. These are the three Arrhenius equations at the single temperature. There is a difference. We can calculate only one temperature is given. We can calculate the Arrhenius from this Arrhenius equation energy of activation EA. But when two different temperatures are given, then we can calculate by using the third equations. Log of K2 upon K1 equal to EA upon 2.303 or inside the bracket T2 minus T1 upon T1 into T2, we can calculate the energy of activation. And this is the most important point for chemical kinetics. This determination of the activation energy is asked for the 2 marks in HSC board examination, and also there is a CET contains this equation for the determination of the Arrhenius equation for the energy of activation. Thank you.